Okay. Please look at the camera. State your name.
Linda?
And you can do reverse burps.
Okay. Because I'm sucking my stomach in and I'm breathing in, and so the sound is coming from when I'm going in, not when I'm going I'm going I'll do it again.
And what's with the hands?
It's me like rising and pulling up and sucking stuff in. Hold on, wait, that wasn't good. I can't do any more. I'm done.
Is there anything else you'd like to tell people about the way you live your life? Can you do one more? I just want to make you vomit.
I think I'm trapping air, like pulling air in and trapping it in my throat.
Don't look at her for answers.
Stop.